Hello there, and thank you for tuning to TV 2000. So today we're going to be trying this veggie patty from Subway. This was suggested by Corbin Jarvis. So I'm going to go ahead and try it. Give it a shot. I ate a lot of food earlier, so I'm not going to eat the whole thing. I'll save more for later. But it's okay. It's a veggie patty. So to no fault to the workers. It's not their fault. It's the company. Just kidding. I don't know, I'm just not vibing with the veggie patty. I got it toasted, but it was still cold. And I tried to make a lemonade brisk mixed, but it just tastes like a watered down brisk with lemon water. That was my fault. I should have noticed it ahead of time. This whole thing is my fault because I mess things up here and there. But yeah. So it's like a short video. Well, you know, maybe just make a vlog out of this. Maybe I'll go for a walk after this. Though I'm not taking the sandwich with me. Unfortunately, that has to go to waste. I'm sorry. I can't. It's not very good. Anyway, let me finish this juice and then we'll get walking, shall we? Guys, the service in that Subway was bad. No, I'm kidding. It was fine. It's the sandwich wasn't really that good. I'll give it like a 1 out of 10. That patty was like, I got it toasted. I got that sandwich toasted, and it was maybe not that whole far. I got that sandwich toasted, and it was still cold. Yeah, I'm sorry, Corbin, but that veggie patty just wasn't it. I didn't really like it. It wasn't my favorite sandwich at Subway. It's so weird to be like vlogging, you know. I hope to do more of this in the summer. You know, when it's warmer and there's no risk of icicles. But yeah. Let's go for a walk. Let's just go for a walk. Let's go for a long walk in a short town. Just kidding. Yeah, it's just crazy times. Pretty cool though. It's pretty cool this stick, cause now I can be like, hey guys, today you're gonna be looking down on me today. I'll be like, hey guys. So anyway, what's going on with the vlog is we're walking somewhere. Don't know where, but we're walking somewhere. And whoops. I hit an icicle with you guys, I'm sorry. Gotta be a little more careful. I didn't do anything, guys. That wasn't me. I didn't set off no alarms. That wasn't me. Okay, I'm gonna bring you guys back in now. I don't wanna hit you. I don't wanna hit you guys on anything else. This is the old office supplies building. Yeah, it's seen better days. I'm kidding. No, what happened was it was way more snow than this. And sorry, piece of veggie patty. But yeah, sorry I didn't like it. It was cold. I asked for a toasted sandwich. I saw him put it in the oven thing. I heard the beep go off. The cheese was melted, but that veggie patty was still ice cold. But it's like, again, it's not the fault of the workers. It's my fault. I should have ordered it. I'm just kidding. No, it's not the workers' fault. They're just doing their job. Good soldiers follow orders. Just kidding. But yeah, just going for a walk. It's pretty cool with the selfie stick though, because I can like look around and go around and be like, all right guys, so I'm just gonna leave you here for a second. I'll be right back. You know, I'll just go like, all right guys, I'll leave you here for a second. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna set you guys up there and just go. I walk away from you, my friend. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. This week on Unsolved Mysteries. Just kidding. So that was an old show my mom used to watch. Or still watches. I think they have it on Amazon. Amazon Prime. Did I say it right? Amazon? Yeah, Amazon Prime. It sounds so weird to me right now. Amazon Prime. I'm having so much trouble saying that. Amazon Sorry, this is like we're rambling here. But yeah, this is a fun thing. Just kidding. But yeah, just it's crazy times. Sorry, I'm running out of things to talk about. This is why I thrive when I'm live and like people are actually like in the chat. Then I can like talk for hours. When it's just me with no prompts, I have no idea what to talk about. Hey, you guys want to go get some sushi? Just kidding. No, I'm still full. I had some popcorn chicken and chicken strips from that store we just passed, the convenience store. Well, is it really a convenience store? Yeah, I guess it is. They got like snacks and beverages. But yeah, local store here is shutting down. I think I might have missed my window to go check it out because they close at 5:30, I think. 5:18. How about it? You wanna head in there? Maybe we will. There wasn't a lot of people in when I went there last time, so maybe I'll figure something out. Alright, well, I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, so yeah, I didn't really do much for that day. I just vlogged that little bit outside. I tried to go into that store, but they were like really like they closed early, so I didn't really get to go in there. But yeah, since then there's been a big update. So like I said before, I think I told you guys before, I think. Or no, I did tell you guys. Well, basically, I Did I tell you? Was that today? No, that was yesterday. I know. I I gotta get a filling for that one, and uh, I got a broken tooth, so they gotta rip that one out after they do the fillings for this on the 11th of March. Today's February 25th. I'm recording you. You guys can't say that to me. I'm just kidding. Sorry. Just go try these different iced teas because I'm kind of curious about the difference between them all. So yeah, I'm just gonna try them all. Tell you guys what I think. Here's Pure Leaf Lemon Iced Tea. Ugh. Oh, it's so gross. Ugh. Oh, that was tough. All right, let's try this. Let's try this Caddyshack Peace Tea, iced tea and lemonade. Oh, how's that even worse? Ugh. Ugh. Let's try this one. Fuse iced tea lemon. Ugh, they call this iced tea? Oh, it's even worse, bro. Snapple. They don't even have the sayings in the bottle caps anymore. What a ripoff. Ugh. How can these companies legally call this stuff iced tea? Here's Nest tea. Like, I don't know. I don't know, man. I'm sorry, guys. It's just this ain't going the way I thought it was going to. Oh, sorry, guys. Ugh. I'm not feeling so good, guys. Ugh, okay, here's Arizona iced tea. I had to get a cup for this one. And here's a cup. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry you got to hear this, but this stuff's not sitting right. All right, last one. This. Now that's what I call iced tea. Now that's what I call iced tea. That's what I call iced tea. No, that's what I call iced tea. Wow, no, that's what I call iced tea. That's what I call iced tea. It's good. Okay, I'm sorry. No, for real, I'm actually going to try these out. Okay, I'll try to do it in the order I did it the first time. All right. Here's Pure Leaf iced tea. Real brewed iced tea. It tastes very tea. If you understand what I mean, like it tastes a lot like real tea, which is okay. It's just not my cup of tea. Anyway, it's okay. I'll give it 7.5 out of 10. It's okay. It's drinkable. I think next was the peace tea. I think the peace tea. Well, it's mixed. It's both iced tea and lemonade, so it adds like a weird sweet acidity to it, so to speak. It's okay. I'll give that one like a 8. Yeah, I'll give it an 8 out of 10. Sorry, it's like really hot in my house here. I think it was the Fuse next. Fuse iced tea. Let's give this one a try. I'll give this one like a. I'll give it a maybe another 8.5. It's like I don't know. It's like I can't describe it. It's like it's plain. Like it's plain. There's not a lot of exciting flavor to it. Now I think after this is the Snapple. I mean, it's drinkable. But again, it's kind of like the Fuse. Like it's kind of like plain. I can't describe it, but it's like plain and lemon. It's like I'm drinking basically lemon water with a hint of tea. So I'll give it like another 8.5 out of 10. And I think the last one is this Arizona iced tea. There it is. Now it's kind of where Fuse and Snapple and it's like kind of where they kind of go. It's like it's not really like it's not exciting, but it's like it's kind of like they kind of overdid the lemony to it. Yeah, it's kind of like they overdid it with the lemon. Not really my favorite, but it's okay. So I'll be fair. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Like it's not really like crazy. Did I do this one? I don't know. I guess I'll re-review it then if I did do it. It's kind of where the Fuse is, but there's a little bit more flavor to it, kind of. Now that I'm really like trying it. Let's test something real quick. They taste so similar, but now I'm tasting them both. This one has a little bit more like flavor to it than this one now, which is weird. So this has a little bit more. It has a little bit more content than this one, like more milliliters. Somehow this taste Yeah, some taste more plain, but there's. Anyway, now last but not least, I had never tried this one before. Let's try it, shall we? Mmm. This one has like all the flavor and perfect amount of lemony, perfect amount of flavor, perfect amount of sweet. Yummy in my tummy. Just kidding. No, but you know how you already know what you already know the clear winner here. Arizona. Put your hands together for Arizona. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. No. Well, okay. Well, honestly, Briscoe's never in the running because it's just for other iced teas that I haven't tried before. But anyway, yeah. So in a kind of in like a ranking, it would probably go Nest Tea, Fuse, Peace Tea, Snapple, Arizona, Pure Leaf, and then Brisk is just above all of them. But again, it's for the rest of these. So, what did I say? Nest Tea, Fuse, Peace Tea, Snapple, Pure Leaf, Arizona, Pure Leaf. They used to have Gold Peak, but I don't know what happened to Gold Peak iced tea. Anyway, yeah, I guess this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I guess it's time to say this is the end broadcast day, and thank you for choosing GIBTV 2000. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. Now I know what you guys wanted to see. Me personally, I don't know why, but okay. Just kidding. Let's do a little bit of this. 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 I should have had this prepared already. A little bit of this. A little bit of this. And a little bit of this. Now let's give this a sip. This is the ultimate iced tea. I'm just so excited to try this, you guys. I just can't wait. Like let me just get ready for this. Oh man, that was so good, guys. You guys just won't believe this. It's just so good, guys. I had too much of it. Look, I only got like that much left. Just kidding. All right, for real though. I give this like a. I'll be generous. I'll give it like a 7.5. It's like very iced tea. It's like very tea. I still don't know how to like properly put it into words, but Yeah, it's good. 7.5. 7. Being generous. Anyway, that's it. Bye.